Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to upload PDF to Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to insert and edit PDF files on Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. Today, I'm going to upload this PDF file to Google Drive and edit some content. To upload a PDF file into Google Docs, first, open Google Drive in your computer web browser and log in to your account. Once you are in Google Drive, upload your PDF file from your computer. You can upload by clicking on New and selecting File Upload from the drop-down, or by dragging and dropping from your computer to Google Drive. Once the PDF is uploaded, find and right-click on the PDF file. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, hover over Open With and select Google Docs from the various options. Google Docs will automatically convert your PDF file into a Google Docs document. The conversion process may take a few seconds, depending on the size and complexity of the PDF. Once converted, you can edit the document as needed. You can add text, images, and lines, or delete any unnecessary lines. After editing, the document will be automatically saved in Google Docs format.